Attention professionals and homeowners, introducing the patented VIKA 4-in-1 multi-purpose workbench that transforms into a durable workbench, scaffold, dolly, and creeper. This all-in-one platform is ideal for the professional out in the field or everyday homeowners looking for an easy and convenient way to complete tasks around the home. The VIKA 4-in-1 has multiple applications such as painting, automobile maintenance, moving large objects, or as a power tool station. Complete a variety of projects like changing house fixtures, cutting lumber, outdoor landscaping, or detailing your car or truck. Use the VIKA 4-in-1 in the garage, on the construction site, camping, or family barbecues. The lightweight construction makes it easy to transport for various applications or locations. The robust steel framework is equipped with a reversible dual-sided surface. Simply unlock the hinges to flip the panel over for a solid half-inch MDF water-resistant work surface or a non-slip high-impact plastic decking. With an onboard power strip, it is easy to plug in multiple power tools for any project. The convenient hand tool inserts makes it possible to keep items handy while you work. The MDF surface includes measurements and protractor indicators for a fast way to determine cuts without using a tape measure. A drill hole and a hammer strip are also included to keep your work surface protected when drilling or hammering objects. The portable and lightweight design is easy to open and transform with push-release buttons that lock into place when changing into different modes. In the work platform mode, 2 adjustable height options can be used to reach those hard-to-reach work areas. The side of the work platform also has an aluminum step, making it safer and convenient to step on the platform in scaffold mode. The workbench mode is perfect for those projects that take more time and allows for you to sit comfortably with easy access to your work tools. Equipped with 4 caster wheels, moving items is quick and easy and also includes a traction clip cutout to pull the dolly when transporting heavier items. In creeper mode, the smooth wheelbase makes it perfect for sliding under the hood to change your oil or perform work on the car. The creeper has double-bearing rotating directional front wheels and static rear wheels for simple maneuvering. The product was engineered to optimize functionality while saving space with a slim and compact design. The portable and lightweight VIKA 4-in-1 holds up to 400 pounds and transports easily with a heavy-duty carrying handle. Save money and storage space by purchasing the VIKA 4-in-1 today. Enjoy a workbench, scaffold, dolly, and creeper for all of your projects and household needs.